When you get hurt at work, the insurance company for your employer has to go through a process to determine whether they're going to accept that claim or deny that claim. Now, I'd like to talk about what happens during that period. And that period is what the initial period is 21 days. So within a 21-day period from the time they get notice that you got hurt, they can either deny the claim or accept the claim. So as long as you report it timely, which is very important because we find that a lot of claims that are not reported timely, in other words, right away, get denied. It creates an air of suspicion. So, what happens in that 20-day period before they accept your claim or deny your claim? Often, an adjuster will want to talk to you, will want to take a recorded statement regarding how it happened, how you got hurt. They might want to ask about your history, your medical history, things like that. Some of these things are borderline inappropriate. So often if a client will contact us at the beginning of the injury process, we will want to be on the call with the adjuster when they're asking you questions so that we can make sure they stay within the bounds of the law. Now, if an individual gets hurt at work and quits, we find that often also leads to denial. So our advice is and will always be, if you get hurt at work, absolutely do not quit. And there'll be times, perhaps, during your recovery where the company will put pressure on you to quit or try to get you back to work and you can't do it. You can't succumb to this because quitting your job leaves you with not as many rights as you would have if you retained that job. Now, if they fire you, that's different. Your rights stay the same. So don't ever quit if you get hurt at work. That's our advice. So, after that 21-day period, you either get a check or you don't. And if you don't get a check, you're getting a document called Notice of Denial. That means they're not going to pay you, they're not going to pay your medical bills, and your only recourse is to go to court. So at that point, you need to hire an attorney, and you should hire someone who only does workers' comp, which is what we do.